Yo, what's up mga kabarangay? So, it's Sunday. Actually, rest day ko ngayon. Malapit na ako sa bahay and may park, no? Dito sa likod ng bahay. Maliit na park, which is activity area. Ayun yung pinamalengke ko for 1 week kasi mamaya bababa na naman tayo sa province. Bukas, na madaling araw. So, let's try this different activities. Which is, I think, ang tawag dito, uh, mobility exercise. I don't know. So, ayan. This is for shoulder. Okay. Wala lang, galaw-galaw. Diba? Saktong papawis lang. For this is for shoulder, guys. Oh. Ayan. May tali yan. So, left and right na kamay mo. Hawakan mo yan. Tapos baba, taas mo. Also, we also have here for arms down. For arms and shoulder. Well, let's try. Ano, nagmamaneho tayo ng barko. Diba? We also have here, guys. Galing ng Korea, no? Para sa core. This is a core exercise. Actually, medyo busog pa ako kasi kumain ako ng snack ko bago nag-grocery kanina. So, ayan. Active light work. Kahit na naka-rest day. Tamang papawis lang. Diba? Kompleto sila, diba? Also, they have a for chess. Diba? So, oh. Oh, ramdam mo kasi body weight to, guys, tong machine na to. Binubuhat mo yung katawan mo. Oh, that's why some old Korean are still healthy and still functioning better than other people. For example, kahapon, I ran 50 kilometer running and walking. Then, nagulat ako nung umuulan na. Sa tabi ko, may babaeng Korean. Tumatakbo. That's around, I think, 80 to 85 years old Korean woman. Malakas pa yung takbo niya, guys. Hindi pa, ugot-ugot talaga na lakad. Tumatakbo nga. Ramdam ko yung, this is for chest or shoulder. Bakit mas ramdam ko yung shoulder? Mas ramdam ko yung likod ng shoulder ko. Let's try the other machine. Okay. They also have a, I think this is a bicycle. I don't know. Oh, they said it's for the abs. Oh, wow. So, ayusin natin. Oh. Oh. Tamang pag-burn lang ng ano guys, fats and calories. Ganda nito ah. Oh. And diba? Kita nyo naman yung machine nila. So we still have 1, 2 and 3 dun sa likod, which is it's like running, you are running. Let's try this one. Also, let's try the different one. Okay. May back support siya. I think paharap siya. Para sa core exercise na. Let's try this one. Last. This one is like you are walking. So, diba? Bakit healthy ang mga Korean? Kasi may mga park silang ganito. Lalo na yung mga matatanda. Mahihilig sila sa ganito. Anyway, magpapapawis pa ako. Kulang pa. Share ko lang sa inyo yung different kind of activities dito sa park na to, na para sa mga Korean, kung bakit kahit na matatanda na sila, mahihilig pa rin mag-exercise, no? Healthy pa rin, even though yung mga kinakain nila balance din kasi. Okay, so yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung active rest ko sa aking fat loss journey. Let's go!